right, collective, I wanted to go ahead and do a quick reading on this is DDG and his girlfriend. I think her name is yes, it's Holly. Yep, Halle Bailey. So Halle Bailey and DDG. Okay. She's ready to, I feel like it's her. She's ready to kind of take a little time off from being in the spotlight. Yep. What did I tell you? Yep. With the star energy, like, okay, she's kind of maybe looking at what it would feel like. Yeah, what would be comfortable to afford. So maybe they're looking at a house. Yeah, because this is the Judgment card. And then the Hierophant came out. So maybe they're looking at where they would want to live, possibly. Yeah, which is a little bit of a hard decision, it seems like. I don't know whose parents live where, what, when, where, how. Yeah. They're not quite sure how to resolve the situation as it stands, because they've been going back and forth, I think, is what's been happening. But I feel like, okay. They're working hard at trying to figure it out. That's why I was like, I don't know. They're working hard at trying to figure that out. Yeah, I'm scratching the back of my head. They're definitely working hard at trying to figure it out. I'm sure they will, though. They just haven't, they don't. Okay. Being an artist, you got to be constantly creating, right? That's just the life of the artist, right? And so to a certain extent, you want to be accessible and close to the scene of things, right? But let's see. And then they're also trying to like mix in what they're most passionate about, like their adventurous sides with respect to like a home life. Yeah, with respect to a home life. Because I feel like they've looked forward to this. Like it doesn't feel burdensome to them, even though this is the Seven of Pentacles, which is giving a little like weighty energy, but it's like the assessment of reward, direction, or patience even. And this is the Eight of Cups, and it's like, just to me, it means a deeper meaning, like going within, kind of. It's almost giving Hermit, which I think, yeah, it's already out here. So it just hasn't been, they just haven't figured that out yet. That's really the only thing that they're looking at, like between the two energies. Yeah. And what new ventures, what they're gonna put out in public media next. Page of Swords energy. Yeah, they're definitely looking at like what business ideas they want to co-create. Yeah, because they're getting close to this they've got a lot of emotions along with a real true connection. And the fact that they're in really stable financial situations right now, they're able to look at things, I believe, long term a little bit more cohesively. Because I feel like he's maybe had things a little bit longer than she has, but they they're figuring out how to um, work together, you know, to work together as a couple when it comes to their financial goals and pursuits and stuff like that. Because this whole like being together, like maybe it's jumped up a level because, you know, they've just been each other dating. Now they're themselves together, if you will. So they've made a dynamic change within, you know, their own relationship that's causing them to have to look at their independence a little bit differently. I get this was like an expected but unexpected change in the energy, but because it's built on love and they're very giving to one another, because they never like to see each other in a sad or depressed energy. That's what's keeping them, I believe it's their innocent hearts. Them being a young love is what helps them, is what helps them co-create. That's what helps give them this oomph, if you will, in their union. I see that baby popping out. I saw the baby here, like why they're going within. There's a him and her and the baby and the thing. And I'm not trying to say like she's pregnant and she hasn't announced it, but the baby's in y'all reading, girl. Maybe that's what she's also like. I don't know. She doesn't, in an energy, she's in an energy where I don't know, maybe she doesn't love being a baby mama, but she's not worried about it because she knows he's not, you know, dealing with other people. So there's a stableness in their own relationship. Yeah. And she kind of holds back that consideration. Like that's not one that they really, I believe they discussed it, and she trusts her person to communicate when he's ready. Yeah, she trusts, yeah, she trusts that this is a lot of truthful and honest and like, not going anywhere energy. Because I got the King of Wands in the upright and then the King of Swords in the upright. So I get like, he's being serious about who he is, and he's not, you know, he's not out. I'm hearing Ain't Nobody Humping Around, the Bobby Brown song. They were Bobby and Whitney for Halloween in a picture I saw. So I think that was them. I don't know. Anyway, they were a couple different couples, to be perfectly honest. Yeah, they're focused. Yeah, and she's coming out as the Queen of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. Like, she's like, and I know I'm doing my thing, you know, and that together presents... I get some happy towers, like some energies where they're both able to move away from maybe situations that they had when they were younger to create something new together. So it's a good tower, this tower energy, like the creation of something new together. And I get that this is just, they're forward focused on keeping their love and their finances intact is how they rule their world. That's the energy. Look. Yeah, that's how they rule the world. And the Nine of Wands, that's how they defend and keep the energy up for their relationship against all the naysayers and, you know, having any heartbreak between them. They keep it copacetic. So I'm going to leave that there. This is a nice little cute reading. Pretty much what I expected from them too. He's excited about stepping his life up too in the direction this Emperor energy that she's bringing out as they co-create. You know, they bring the Emperor and Empress energy out in one another. So it's really cute. It's really super cute. I wish them the best if this is their energy, and that they enjoy their time figuring out where they want to go. I think they should look at two places. If they happen to watch this or somebody that knows them, I think they should look at having a smaller place in one location and then another size home in another location. I'm just saying, you know, it's never a bad thing to see what all you can do to maybe not necessarily spread yourself too thin, but be available to have options. There we go. Yeah.